What's up guys, welcome to another vlog, and today it's currently 5:30. No sleep actually. We just came out. If you can see, there's balloons everywhere, so we came to balloon spotting. I look dead as hell. We just came to the balloon spotting. Let's see. It's a beautiful morning. The sunrise has just happened. Let's see what. Oh my god, the view is insane. So this is why we came here. Check it out. So I made a wrong choice with these shoes, Yeezys, because I can't climb literally anything. It is so slippery everywhere. These are nowhere near trekking shoes or something like that. So I'm just going back up to the cafe where we can spot the whole thing from upstairs. My friends are there enjoying the view, but I can't thanks to these Yeezys. It's almost impossible to get up there. Let's go back up and get the shots. So we are at a new spot and all the balloons are down. It's over, the show was over. Got some pictures, not so much for the vlog, but yeah, just for the Instagram. You can check out my Instagram. You'll see all the pictures over there. And whole gang, they took some photos of themselves. And we are done for today. I mean for now. So today our plan is to go to Antalya. First of all, we need to book a Airbnb. Then we need to start our journey. It's a 5-6 hours journey, max 500 kilometers. And we'll be stopping at Konya, by the way, on the way. So check out the view behind. Insane view. So this part actually we could have done before. We should have been here like early, but it is what it is. My photographer of the day. I mean, a whole trip. That's it guys, enjoy the view. I'll just show you around. Check out the view guys. Only 2 balloons are up for now. Everyone descended. Oh, there's one more, 3. The view is insane. The sunrise is at that point, so we get an insane view of this thing and good photos because they are against the sun. Good location.
आप लोगों का भी वो इंडोनेशियन एक आती देखो गुडंगरम बोल के मारे बहुत मारे गुडंगरम नॉट गरम.
So we came to this town Gurame for some breakfast, and look at this area. It is so beautiful. This is like a proper town in middle of Cappadocia. It is one of the main towns in Cappadocia, and there are like most expensive hotels here, which one of the hotel is right here. See the view. Like in the mornings, or you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's a hot air balloon flowing around here. So in the morning after 4 a.m. till 7, you can see all the hot air balloons with the view from that room. So it's so expensive, and you can see there's a Porsche Panamera. And this is the restaurant we are going now to have lunch. Sorry, to have breakfast. Yeah, the surroundings are amazing. If you can see, all of them are made from stone. Every building possible in this town, or whole Cappadocia actually, is made of stone. You can see. So it is very cold during the nights inside. Very, very cold. Let's go have some breakfast. This looks so good actually. Oh my god, bro, this is so good. They have a store here which is closed. The restaurant is upstairs. Dude, we'll get amazing views from there.
Welcome.
Oh, this area is so beautiful. Look at this. The entrance. Too good. Okay, I think these are private rooms. So let's move. Let's go to the restaurant and let's head upstairs. Everything is captured properly. Private suites. Oh. The more we go up, the more beautiful the view is. Look at the view. Look at the view, guys. All the stone restaurants. He's disappointed.
Hi guys, I'm Adnan.
That's it.
Yeah.
There's a beautiful spot for the photos. And look at the view. Just look at the view. Whole stone village. Every building is made of stone. And only stone, nothing else. Stone and wood. I think that should be the restaurant we are going. Whoa. And few of the hot air balloons, you can see there one. They're still flowing around. Which won't be long before they descend. Let's go. We are done with the breakfast.
Yummy.
So guys, we weren't allowed here because it's only for the residents. It's only for the residents. So we are out, back on the road, into the town. So guys, check out this Cadillac, old Cadillac. Looks insane. So clean, like not a single dent. It is long wheelbase as well. It is huge. It is so good. We were literally passing by and stopped while we saw this. We saw this. It is so clean. The spec. Look at the lights. So classic. Both. Let's check out the interior. So let's go. So we came to this cafe, small cafe, because the reviews were good. So guys, we are departing from the hotel here in Cappadocia. This is a beautiful town, very small town but beautiful. We ate over there, we had a dinner over there, lunch over here. We just took a shawarma from here. Every one of us ate shawarma. And we're about to start to Antalya.